In this video, we're going to cover the products, product management, and on the edit page or your add product page, which essentially look the same, we're going to cover this generate button feature. Now, the generate button feature, it's really an off-site button feature. What does that mean? Well, the off-site buttons in Rapid Residual Pro allow you to paste your product buttons to any page on the internet, anywhere you want it to be pasted at. So you could paste your button in a forum, you could paste a link and then use whatever image you wanted to, or you could take this HTML text and paste it onto say a mini site. Or how about adding multiple buttons to a Rapid Residual Pro sales page? Well, now you can do that because you have this button, this extra button feature that you can use to create a button for this product that you can basically paste anywhere you want. The forum text is bulletin board HTML is basically what it is. So, if you're going to post this on, say, the Warrior Forum or someplace, you would use this, the forum button link. The HTML you can paste on any page that you want to, anywhere on the internet, including other pages in your own website. So we could take this and paste this button, and if you notice, let me see if I can find, let's go to rapidresidualpro.com, the home page, and I'll go to the sales letter. And let me show you how I've used the off-site button or the extra button for my sales letters. So scroll all the way down to the bottom. And this is what I call a yes, yes, close for a sales letter. A lot of people put one button, which is pretty standard, so you buy my product or don't buy my product. But what I've done here is created a yes, yes. So here's the thing. One button, someone comes to your website, sales letter, and there's one button. So they're given a choice. Mentally, they go, do I want this or don't I? And they leave or they buy. With a yes, yes button, they're given three choices. Which one of these do I want? A or B? Do I want this one, which is just basic, or do I want all these extra cool things to pay? Wow, I'm getting that much worth of this. So now, see the logic? They're thinking, which one of these do I want? Or do I want neither of them? So do I want this one? Do I want this one? Or do I want to just leave? And we found that the conversions increase in most of the products that I offer. Conversions increase with a yes, yes, based on a simple single button. I know that's a little contrary to what you probably have been taught, and there's nothing wrong with a single button. But what I wanted to show you here was this button is actually the button for this product. Okay, and you can tell because I always add the existing members login here to purchase. This button is a link using the off-site button. Okay, so this is actually linking to a button for another product, not this one. It's the $497 product without all the bonuses in it. This is an off-site button, but I've pasted it on this sales letter even though it's on the same page. Now, the big question and the thing that we had to make sure of is that if an affiliate were to send someone to this page for this product and someone were to buy this product, we had to make sure that that affiliate still got credit for the sale. So I want to make very clear, the off-site button, if you have multiple buttons on a page and the affiliate sends traffic to that page for one of those buttons, it doesn't matter which button they click, the affiliate will get credit. They are cookied, and the cookies are for 60 days. It's last cookie wins for the off-site button. So you can tell affiliates that they can be very confident to send people to a page with multiple buttons on it, because it doesn't matter which button a person selects, they're going to get credit for the sale. Okay, that was a big issue with me when we developed this, was to make sure that affiliates were going to be credited for the sale, especially when you put multiple buttons on the same page. But that's been taken care of for you. So this is how I've used. Now imagine that this was a page that was on a mini site. And let's pretend that it's not really connected to our main site here, but it's on another domain. And here's the button. When someone clicks the button, they go to PayPal, and it would return them to our main site where the product really is. So it would return them to this member area to create an account. They log in, and then they'll see all the other products that you have. The power of this is that you can have your buttons on as many. You could have this button on 10 mini sites. You could have this button on the Warrior Forum. People would click the button and be brought back to one central location to download their product and to access their account and to see other things that you have for sale. Does this make sense? It's an incredibly powerful feature. Very, very powerful feature. And you can do this just by, once you've created your product, you've selected your payment options. Here you select if it's PayPal or Alert Pay. You can create an offsite button for ClickBank as well. Just select ClickBank, and then ClickBank will show buttons down here for you. And wherever you paste that button at, that product, it'll take people to either ClickBank or to Alert Pay or to PayPal for the purchase itself, and then bring them back to your main site for the download. It's just incredible. Now, what about sending affiliate traffic to a page with, say, this button on it? So we've got here this page for this product. What we would do to get affiliate links is we would copy the link of the page where this button is located at. Maybe this is an external page where we've put our button on, like an HTML page or the Warrior Forum or whatever the case may be. Now we come back, we've used this, and by the way, you can create a link and add any image to it you want to. You don't have to use the HTML in the forum. Use the default button that you have here, whatever you've selected. But the link, you can of course use any image you want to, even though it's going to bring people back to the same product, which is just very cool. Okay. So, but now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the product listing, and we're in the Visual C++, and we're going to pretend that this button here is a Visual C++ button, and we've copied the domain where, let's say this is a mini site. We've copied that domain. We're going to come over to here, and do you see this little link here? When it pops up, it says, click here to create a redirect URL for this product. What you do is you take the domain you've pasted your button on, your mini site or whatever that is, and you copy and paste it right here, and we're going to put Warrior Forum. We'll just pretend Warrior button. It's not, but we're just going to pretend that this is a button from the Warrior Forum. And here's the link to the page, maybe my WSO, and here's what I refer to it as, and I click Save, Short URL. Look what happened. I'm given links for that button. Now I can actually give this to an affiliate and say, here, send traffic to this offer, and I just copy this link right here, send it to them in an email and say, replace your affiliate name where it says affiliate name here. Just replace that and send traffic to the off-site button, and they'll get credit for it. I can also send it through them using the coupon code, and they'll get credit for it. Here's where they put their affiliate name. So we go back to product listings. This feature right here is a little bit complicated to understand, but once you get it, you get it. This is the short URL here is where you would get your affiliate links to send traffic to an off-site button page or an off-site button post. Okay, makes sense? So if you have your button on the Warrior Forum, copy the link to the page on the Warrior Forum, put it in here, get your affiliate links, hand them to your affiliates and say, here's the link you need in order to promote this product. Last cookie wins, 60 days or how long the cookie lasts. and that's it. Okay? So hopefully that's enough information to help you to understand the off-site button. It's a powerful feature. If you don't understand these things clearly, then please submit a help desk ticket at rapidresidualpro.com/likes/help, and I'll certainly be very happy to offer my assistance or go over this with you personally to make sure that you understand it. Okay? You can use the HTML, the forum, or the link. You need to select PayPal or AlertPay or ClickBank if it's a ClickBank product to get your off-site button to paste on another page. Okay? That should be it for the generate button or the off-site button. Hopefully that helps you. It's a very, very powerful feature. Very powerful feature. Talk to you soon.